Welcome everyone. Today we shall continue with the lesson quadratic equation, and student, we have already completed practice set till 2.5 in this lesson, and today we shall begin practice at 2.6. So student, sorry for the delaying video, but in this video we shall complete practice at 2.6. okay, so this practice at 2.6 is based on application of quadratic equation, and we have solved quadratic equation by different types of methods. So all the methods we are going to use in this practice set. Okay, now let's start solving. So student, first question is product of Pragati's age. Now student, in this practice set we have to assume the data, and first we will form or obtain the quadratic equation, then we will solve the quadratic equation according to the question, okay, or according to the given condition. So first question is product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84, and find her present age. Now here two persons Pragati's age is given, okay, and Pragati's age 2 years ago is given and 3 years hence. Now hence means 3 years from now, that means 3 years ago from now. All right, that is 84, and find her present age. So first we will assume that, okay, so first here we will assume here that let Pragati's present age will be x. Pragati's present age till now it is x years, okay, and her age 2 years ago. Now here it is given now her age, Pragati's age 2 years ago. So the Pragati's age 2 years ago, it will be 2 years ago. So we will write here x minus 2. All right, present age is x, and 2 years ago age will be x minus 2, and her age 3 years hence, that means 3 years from now. So what it will be? It will be x plus 3. Now here 2 years ago, and here 3 years hence, from 3 years hence, so it will be x plus 3. all right, now according to the given condition, product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. That means the multiplication of these two factors will be 84. all right, so here I have written all the data. Now let's write the equation. So the equation according to the question, it will be x minus 2, that means product of these two data multiplied by x plus 3 is 84. all right, this is 84. Now let's start solving. Now we will solve the equation, and then we will find the value of x. all right, now here after multiplication, it will, now this x term will be multiplied by x plus 3, then minus 2 will be multiplied by x plus 3. Now just start solving. So it will be x into x will be x square. Now plus 3 into x will be 3x minus 2x. Now we have minus 2 multiplied by 3, it will be minus 6 is equals to 84. all right, now here it will be x square plus, now student, 3x minus 2x will be x. all right, now is equal, now minus 6, this plus 84 will come here, and it becomes minus 84 is equals to 0. all right, now this becomes a quadratic equation, that is x square plus x. Now minus 6 minus 84, it will be minus 90 is equals to 0. all right, now the factors, we will take the factor of this, we are solving by method of factorization. okay, so now factor of 90, so that we will get the value is 1, that is 1 or x. So it will be 10 9s are 90. okay, that means plus 10 minus 9, so we will get x. So here we will write x square plus 10x minus 9x is equals to minus 9 minus 90 is equals to 0. This is 90. all right, so now we will take common from these two sides, so it will be x into bracket x plus 10. Now from this term it will be minus 9 will be common, then x plus 10 it will be common bracket. So we will write common bracket one time, and this x minus 9 it will be another time. okay, now here it will be x plus 10 is equals to 0, or x minus 9 is equals to 0. all right, now this solving this, we will get x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 9. all right, now student, age cannot be in negative number, it is always in positive number. all right, so we will take the value as 9. So now here you can write the sentence that but age cannot be negative, so x is equals to 9. Here I am writing but age can't be negative, so value, we will take the value x is equals to 9. Thus Pragati's present age we have to calculate, that is Pragati's present age is x, that is 9 years old. Alright, so student, in application based question you have to write on all the answers in statement. Alright, now let's solve question number 2. Okay, now here question number 2 is the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural number. Okay, the sum of squares of, that means here two consecutive numbers are there, consecutive even natural numbers are there, and their sum is 244, and find the number. So we have to find the two numbers. All right, so here I have assumed that let the two consecutive even natural number, here condition is given that it is these are even natural numbers, be 2x. So first will be 2x and another number will be 2x plus 2. All right, even now, so we will add 2. So their sums will be their sum of square, that means sum of square, all right, of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Now let's write the equation. So square now, so here we will write the equation, that is 2x square plus 2x plus 2. We are squaring these two number and we are adding this is equals to, it is given as 244. Okay, now 2x square will be 4x square plus, now this square it will be this is in the form of a plus b whole square, so we will apply this formula. So it becomes plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4 is equals to 244. Now let's solve this. Now 4x square plus 4x square, it will be 8x square plus 8x plus 4 minus this plus 244 becomes minus 244 is equals to 0. Alright, now this becomes 8x square plus 8x. Now 244 minus 4, it will be minus 240. This is 8x, okay, is equals to 0. Now student, here 8 is there, 8 is there, and 24. So this equation can be easily divisible by 8. So divide equation by 8. Now on dividing equation by 8, we will get answer as x square plus x minus, now on dividing 240 upon 8, so it will be minus 2 3s are 24, so it will be 30. Minus 30 is equals to 0. Now we will take the factors of 30 so that we can obtain here this x. Okay, so which factor we will take? We can take 6 5s are 30. All right, so it will be x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now let's take common from these two terms, so it will be x multiplied by x plus 6 minus 5 x plus 6 is equals to 0. And now our common bracket we will write one time, that is x plus 6, and this will be x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now we will write x plus 6 is equals to 0 or x minus 5 is equals to 0. Now on solving this, we will get this x is equals to minus 6 or x is equals to 5. So student, we can't take minus value, that means the numbers cannot be negative, so we will take x is equals to 5. Okay, now here we have to find out the numbers. Okay, so the numbers, first number is, the numbers are, we will write here numbers are, first is 2x. Alright, that means 2 multiplied by value of x, that is 5. So 2 5s are 10. So first number is 10. And let's find out the second number, that is 2x plus 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2. That means 2 5s are 10 plus 2, that is 12. Alright, so first number is 10 and second number is 12. Okay, now let's solve question number 3. That is, in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. Okay, so in that in one garden there are 150 orange trees are there, and the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. And find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of a following flowchart. Now here flowchart is given and we have to solve the quadratic equation according to the given flowchart. Okay, so student, first we will solve in the method in the proper pattern, then we will enter our answer in the flowchart. All right, so first let's assume the data. Now student, here let the number of trees in each column be x. All right, now here column and rows are given, so first we will assume that number of orange trees in each column be x and number of trees in a row. Now here in a column it will be x, so here it is given it is 5 more than, number of trees in each row is 5 more than. So if column it is x, then on in row it will be x plus 5, because here it is given it is 5 more than the column. Now total number of trees is equals to number of trees in a row plus number of trees in a column. All right, so here total number of trees are given, that is 150. All right, so here it will be 150 is equals to, now number of trees in a row is equals to x. Now here multiplies there. All right, so x multiplied by number of trees in column, it will be it will be x plus 5. That means in row it is x plus 5 and in column it is x. So let's solve this. So on solving we will get, now here I am writing x plus 5 is equals to 150. Now on multiplying the bracket with x, so it will be x square plus 5x is equals to 150, or we can write x square plus 5x minus 150 is equals to 0. Now here we will take factors of 150 so that we will get 5x. Now factorization of 150, we can take 15 times the 150. All right, now 15 minus 10, it will be 5. So let's write it, 5x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equals to 0. Now let's take common from these two. So on this term it will be x plus 15 minus, from here we can take minus 10 is common, so x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now common bracket, one time x plus 15, x minus 10 is equals to 0. Now here we will write x plus 15 is equals to 0 or x minus 10 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to minus 15 or x is equals to 10. Now quantity cannot be in negative number, so we will take x is equals to 10. All right, so we will take this value. Now here we have to find out the number of trees in a columns and row. All right, now number of trees in column, it will be, first we will write number of trees. So student, you will write answer in sentence. Number of trees in column is equals to x, that is 10. So it is 10, and number of trees in row, it is x plus 5, that is value of x is 10 plus 5, that is 15 numbers. All right, so student, you will enter all the numbers, all the proper data in the given flowchart at last. Okay, after solving this, you will draw a flowchart and you will enter the numbers, proper data. All right, now let's solve question number 4. Okay, now student, in question number 4, here it is given as Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. Now here two persons are there, Vivek and Kishore. Now first we will assume the age of a Vivek, and Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years old. All right, and the sum of reciprocal, that is sum of reciprocal. The reciprocal means that if the age of Kishore is x, then the reciprocal of Kishore age will be 1 upon x. Okay, of their ages is 1 upon 6, and find their present age. Now sum means their addition. Now let's assume the data. All right, now student, here I have assumed that let the present age of Kishore. Now here first we will assume the age of a Kishore be x years. All right, if age of a Kishore is x year, then the reciprocal will be 1 upon x years. All right. And Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years old. This 5 years. So this is given in question. So it will be x plus 5. All right, x plus 5. So Vivek's reciprocal. So Vivek age will be x plus 5, and the reciprocal, it is reciprocal. that is 1 upon x plus 5. Okay, and the condition is given that the sum of their reciprocal of the ages is 1 upon 6. That means sum means we will add this reciprocal of their ages, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 6. Now let's solve this. Now here we will do the cross multiplication first here. Now it will be x plus 5. Now this go here, this will come here, x plus 5 plus x upon this will be in multiplication, x multiplied by x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon x. Okay, now here in the numerator x plus x will be 2x plus 5. All right, and this will be, now here we will do cross okay, x square plus 5x. Alright, this will be x square plus 5x is equals to 1 upon 6. Now we will do cross multiplication, that means 6 multiplied by 2x plus 5, and this x square plus 5x will be multiplied by 1. So let's write here 6 multiplied by 2x plus 5 is equals to x square plus 5x. Alright, now let's solve this. 6 2 is 12x plus 6 5 is 30 is equals to x square plus 5x. Now we will shift this data to the RHS. So it becomes x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equals to 0. So now x square, now 5x minus 12x, it will be minus 7x. Alright, and minus 30 is equals to 0. Now we will take the factors here, factors of 30, so that we will get minus 7. Now 10 3 is a 30. We can take 10 3 is a 30. Alright, 10 3 is a 30. So we will get easily minus 7. Now here we will write x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now minus 10 plus 3, it will be minus 7. Let's take common from these two terms. X minus 10 plus 3, x minus 10 is equals to 0. Common bracket one time, x plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 10, or sorry, x minus 10 is equals to 0, or x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now from here we will get x equals to 10 or x is equals to minus 3. Alright, so age cannot be negative, so we will take x is equals to 10. Now here we have to find out the age of Kishore. Now age of Kishore we have assumed at x, so age of Kishore will be, it is 10 years old, so we will write here 10 years. And age of Vivek, what is the age of Vivek? It is x plus 5, that means 10 plus 5, that is 15 years. Okay, now student, let's solve question number 5. So Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test and then that in the first test. Now this is about examination. Alright, and 5 times the score of the, now here Suyash scored is given in first test and in second test. Okay, and here we have to find the score in the first test. Now conditions are different, two conditions are given, so we will solve out according to the condition. Okay, now here first we will assume that let the score of first test, the score of Suyash in first test be x, and if it is x, then the scored 10 marks more in second test, so it will be x plus, sorry, it will be 10 marks more now, so it will be x plus 10 in second test. First test x, in second test it is x plus 10. Alright, and next it is given as 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. So 5 times, now this from this statement we will get our quadratic equation. So our equation will be 5 times the score of second time. Now 5 times this will be x plus 5. So 5 times the score of second test is equals to square of the first test. Alright, so this is our quadratic equation. Now let's solve for this quadratic equation. Now first we'll multiply 5 with this bracket, so it will be 5x plus 5 tens of 50 is equals to x square. Now we will shift this towards RHS, so it will become x square minus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. Now here we want the factors of 50, so that we will get 5. Alright, now which factors we can use? We can use 10 5s are 50. Alright, so x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equals to 0. So x minus 10 and plus 5x minus 10 is equals to 0, common bracket one time, and this will be x plus 5 is equals to 0. All right, now let's solve this. X minus 10 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to 10 or x is equals to minus 5. Okay, so the quantity cannot be in negative. All right, marks cannot be negative, so it is always positive. So here we have to find out the age, sorry, not age, scored in first test. It means x is equals to 10. So the student, you will write answer in sentence. All right, now let's solve question number 6. Now question number 6 is Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots, and he makes certain number of pots on daily basis, and production cost of each pot is for rupees 40 more than 10 times. Now student, here we will assume, what we will assume here, first of all, two conditions are given here. Okay, and first we will assume let the number of pots Mr. Kasam makes in one day will be x. Okay, and so according to the first condition, that is production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots, and he makes in one day. So this is our first condition. All right, so according to the first condition, what will be the our data? According to the first condition, it is 10x plus 40, that means rupees 40 more than daily basis. Okay, and second condition is if production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. So according to the second condition, our equation becomes, that means production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. That means 10x plus 40 multiply by x is equals to 600. All right, now let's multiply this. So this will be 10x square plus 40x is equals to 600. So 10x square plus 40x minus 600 is equals to 0. Now student, here we can divide this equation by 10. Divide by 10. So we will get here x square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. All right, now here we will take factors of 60 so that we get 4. All right, to obtain these factors, we can take 10 6 60. Okay, so that 10 minus 6 will be 4. So it will be x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. Let's take common x we will take common, x plus 10 minus 6 common, x plus 10 will be common bracket one time, and x minus 6 is equals to 0. So x plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 6. So we can't take minus value, so we will take plus value, that is x is equals to 6. All right, now here we have to find out the number of pots production cost of one pot. Now here we will write production, I'm writing here production cost of one pot. All right, production cost of one pot is equals to 10 x plus 40. Now here we will we will put the value of x, that is 6. So 10 multiplied by 6 plus 40, this is 10 6. Okay, so production cost of one pot will be 60 plus 40, it is 100, and cost of one pot it will be 6. All right, 100 rupees. Now let's solve question number 7. All right, so student, question number 7 is Pratik takes 6 hours to travel 36 km downstream. Now student, downstream means, okay, so downstream means the boat is flowing with the water. That means water current, and that means the boat and water are in same direction. Okay, these are in same direction. So here it is given that Pratik takes 8 hours. That means he is traveling along with the water in same direction and return to the same spot, and the speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. And find the speed of water current. Now here downstream is there and we have to calculate upstream also. That means downstream means same direction and upstream is in opposite direction. Alright, that means in opposite direction of a water current or flow of a water. Alright, so here we will assume that Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36. That means total distance is 36 km in downstream is same direction and returns to the same spot. That means A to B, same spot. Okay, first he travel from A to B, then again he return same spot, that is B to A. All right, and speed of a boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour. All right, so still water it is given as it is given in the question, it is 12 kilometer per hour, and let the speed of a water current is x kilometer per hour. So here we have assumed speed of a water current is x kilometer per hour, and therefore speed of a boat in downstream. Now downstream is in the same direction. So total distance is 12. That means in upstream, downstream it will be 12 plus x kilometer per hour. Now here downstream is there. That means we have to calculate upstream also. Now for upstream, now if downstream it is 12 plus x, now in upstream this is in opposite direction. So this will be 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay, now here we will first find out the we will use speed formula. It is speed is equals to distance upon time and time taken to travel from A to B, that means downstream same direction, it is 36 kilometer. Then here after using this formula we will get this time, that is T1 is equals to distance is 36 and speed for downstream it is 12 plus x. So this is our first equation. Now we will calculate for upstream. Now for upstream the time taken to travel from B to A, that means first he is traveling A to B, then B to A. So this is 36 kilometer also. So here from this we will calculate T2 is equals to 36 upon 12 minus x. This is equation number 2. Now according to the question, here this is 12 kilometer distance, 8 he take 8 hours. Okay, all right, so a Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 kilometer downstream and return to the, that means upstream plus downstream is equals to 8 hours. That means T1 plus T2 is equals to 8 hours. All right, so we will put up the values of T1 and T2. So T1 value is 36 upon 12, 12 plus x. So this is for downstream it is 12 plus x, and for upstream it is 36. 12 minus x is equals to 8. Now we will do here cross multiplication. 12 minus x multiplied by 36 and 12 plus x multiplied by 36. So this will 36 multiplied by 12 minus x plus 36 multiplied by 12 plus x is equals to 8, and divide by this 12 plus x multiplied by 12 minus x. All right, now here this 36 multiplied by 12, it will, now from this we can take 36 common, so it will be 36 square bracket 12 minus 6 plus 12 plus x divided by, now here a plus b, this can be in the form of a plus b, a minus b formula. So we can write here a square minus b square, that means 12 square minus b square, it is x square is equals to this 8th one. All right, now here this is 36. Now student multiply by, okay, now this plus x minus x become cancelled. 12 plus 12 it will be 24 divided by 12 square will be 144 minus x square is equals to 8. All right, now what we will do, we will this 144 minus x square multiply by 8, so this becomes 36 multiply by 24 is equals to 8 multiply by 144 minus x square. Okay, so this become 36 multiply by 24 divided by 8 is equals to 144 minus x square. All right, now student 8 ones are 8, we can cancel here. This is 8 ones 8, 8 3s are 24. All right, so here it will be 36 multiplied by, I am continuing here, 36 multiplied by 3 is equals to 144 minus x square. Now 36, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10 is equals to 144 minus x square. Now x square is equals to 144 minus 108, and on solving this we will get 36. So x square is equals to 36, that means x equals to square root of 36, that means x is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, square root of 36 is equals to 6. All right, so here we have to find out, we find the speed of a water current at 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, now question number 8 is Pinto takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain way. Okay, certain work, and if they work together, they finish it in 4 days. And how many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? So here we will assume the data for two different people. So let the number of days taken by Nishu will be x, and number of days taken by Pinto will be. Now here it is given as Pinto takes 6 days more than those of Nishu. Now here this is, if the Nishu takes x days, then it will be 6 more days now. So it will be x plus 6. Okay, and Nishu's 1 day work will be, now here Nishu's 1 day work will be, so it will be 1 day work. For to calculating 1 day work, we will divide 1 upon x. Okay, and to Pinto's 1 day work, it will be 1 upon x plus 6. Alright, and work done together in 4 days. Now that 4 days together, that means 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6 is equals to 1 upon 4. And here now we will do cross multiplication. This comes here, this will go here, so this becomes x plus 6 plus x divided by x multiplied by x plus 6 is equals to 1 upon 4. Now x plus x is 2x plus 6 divided by x into x will be x square plus 6x is equals to 1 upon 4. Now this will 4 multiplied by this, so 4 multiplied by 2x plus 6 is equals to x square plus 6x. Alright, now 4 to the 8x plus 6 4 the 24 x square plus 6x. So now we will shift this term towards the right hand side. So this becomes x square plus 6x minus 8x plus 24 is equals to 0. Now x square, now plus minus 8 plus 6, it will be minus 2x plus 24 is equals to 0. Alright, now we will look at, we want the factors of 24 so that we will get this term 2. So we can take 6 4 the 24, so we will get minus 2 easily. So here I am solving here. So x square minus 6x plus 4x plus 24 is equals to 0. Now let's take common, x minus 6 plus 4 x, sorry, this term will be minus because we are shifting this 24 plus 24 this side, so it becomes minus. Okay, so x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now x minus 6 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. So we will write x equals to 6 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 6 or x is equals to minus 4. But negative value we can't take, so we will take 6. So time taken for Nishu. So Nishu time, here you will write in proper sentence. So Nishu time taken is equals to 6, and Pinto completed his work is, for Pinto we have assumed x plus 6. So it will be 6 plus 6, that is 12 days required by Pintos. Alright, now let's solve question number 9 also. Okay, now question number 9 is as if 460 is divided by a natural number. Okay, this is a number which is divided by the natural number, and question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. Now let's start solving. Now student, here we will first assume the divisor. Let's suppose divisor is x and quotient is 5x plus 6. Why 5x plus 6? Because here it is given as quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Okay, so it will be 5x plus 6, and remainder it is given as 1 and dividend as 460. Now for complete pattern of division, it is x 460, 5x plus 6, this is divisor. Okay, and this is remainder as 1. Alright, now here we know that dividend, this is a format, okay, that dividend is equals to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. So we will write all the data. Dividend is given as 460 and divisor is given as x, quotient is 5x plus 6 and remainder is 1. So let's form our quadratic equation. So this becomes 460 is equals to x multiplied by 5x equals to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. So 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460 is equals to 0. I have shifted this towards RHS. So our equation becomes 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. Alright, now this student, the factors of 459 we cannot get easily. So we will solve this by formula. So after solving this formula, our A term is equals to, sorry, alright, so our A term, alright, A term is 5, B, okay, B is equals to 6 and value of C is equals to minus 459. Now first we will calculate B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC is equals to, now value of B square is 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 5 into this minus 459. Now 6 square will be 36, minus minus become plus. Now on multiplication, this term 5 4s are 20 and 20 multiplied by 459. So this will be 9180 and on addition we will get the answer as 9216. Alright, 9216. This is a value of B square minus 4AC. Alright, now let's write the formula. It is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's put up the value. That is value of minus b is will be minus 6 plus minus square root of 9216 divided by 2. Value of a is 5. Alright, so I am solving here. This will be x is equals to minus 6 plus minus, now this 9216, this is a square root of 96. So we will write here 96 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so we will write first plus then minus. So x is equals to minus 6 plus 96 divided by 10, or x is equals to minus 6 minus 96 divided by 10. So 96 minus 6, it will be 90 divided by 10, or this term it will be x equals to, now 6 6 are 12, that means this becomes minus 102 divided by 10. Now this x is equals to 10, or x is equals to, this is 10, so this on this will be minus 10.2. Now first of all, this is in decimal and this is in negative, so we can't take the negative number. We will take x is equals to 9. So our proper equation divisor, our divisor, that is d is equals to, we have assumed divisor as x, that means divisor is 9, and quotient is equals to 5x plus 9, that means 5 multiply by 9 plus 9, that means 5 9s are 45 plus 6, that is 51. Alright, so our quotient is 51 and divisor is 9. Right, now let's solve question number 10 also. Now we have one figure is given, and in this figure, in the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. That is, in trapezium AB, this side AB is parallel to CD and its area is given as 33 centimeters square, and from the information given in the figure, find the length of all the sides. Now student, first of all, here we have to find out the length of all the side of the quadrilateral ABCD, and by completing this method. Okay, so I am writing on the paper, and you will by looking at this you can easily fill up the boxes. All right, so first here, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium, that means a parallel opposite side will be parallel, and the formula of area of a quadrilateral of a trapezium is equals to half into sum of parallel side, half into sum of parallel side, that means AB plus CD multiply by height. Okay, now here area is given as 33 centimeter square multiply by half. Now AB is given as, now student, here the data is given, value of AB is given as x, so we will write here AB x, and value of CD it is given as 2x plus 1, so here we will write plus 2x plus 1 multiply by height is given. Now height, that means AM, that is x minus 4, right, multiply by x minus 4. Now let's solve this. This 33 multiply by 2 is equals to, now x plus 2x, it will be 3x plus 1 multiply by x minus 4. Alright, now student, first of all 33 multiplied by 2, it will be 66 is equals to, now we will multiply this term with this bracket. So 3x multiplied by x equals to 3x square minus 3 fours are 12x plus 1 multiplied by x will be x, and 1 multiplied by minus 4 will be minus 4. Now on solving this, we will get 3x square minus 12x plus x, it will be minus 11x minus 4. Now equation will be 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66 is equals to 0. I have shifted 66 toward this side. So it becomes 3x square minus 11x minus 66 plus 4. So it will be 70 is equals to 0. Alright. Now let's solve this quadratic equation. Now here 70 multiplied by 3. First, now we will take a multiply by c, that means 3 multiply by 70. So this will be 300, 3 sevens are 21. That means we want the factors of 21 so that we can achieve middle term, that is 11. So for this we can take factors, it is 2, 10, 21s are. Okay, that means 21 tens are this, and 21 minus 10 will get us minus 11. So we will write here 3x square, then we will write we will write minus 21x plus 10 minus 7x, so minus 17 equals to 0. Now from this we can take 3x common, so it will be x minus 3 sevens are 21. Then plus we will and here we will take 10 common, x minus 7 is equals to 0. Alright, so common bracket one time, x minus 7, then 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now x minus 7 is equals to 0, or 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 7, or 3x is equals to minus 10, x equals to minus 10 upon 3, or x is equals to on solving this x equals to minus 3 we can't take, so we will take x equals to 7. Now we want length, that is AB. Alright, so AB is equals to x, that means AB is equals to 7. Alright, here AB is equals to x, that means AB is equals to 7. And next we have to find out CD. So CD value is given as 2x plus 1, that is 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1, that is 2 sevens of 14 plus 1, that is, this is in centimeter, that is 15 centimeter. And next we have to find out BC. So value of BC is given as x minus 2, that means 7 minus 2 is equals to 5 centimeter. Alright, so student, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have understood this practice set, and which is the last practice set of this session, and problem set we will continue in our next session. Thank you all of you.